Because of the prevalence of the poor diet and an inactive lifestyle, many people today are somewhat acidic. If your acidity gets extreme, it is known as acidosis, a condition which requires urgent medical attention. If it is mild, you may not notice a problem at first, until you find yourself feeling worse and worse in unexpected ways. Signs your body may be too acidic. You suffer from chronic pain that is not due to an injury or a medical condition. You feel fatigued even though you've had enough sleep. You feel depressed or have a hard time enjoying things that you used to. Bladder or kidney infections. You find yourself especially irritable for no discernible reason. You frequently develop infections, colds, and flus. Your skin is dry even in the warmer months, or you have acne or other skin problems. You frequently develop yeast infections. You feel like your digestion is sluggish or frequently experience constipation or diarrhea. You find yourself becoming short of breath often. If you find you're experiencing multiple symptoms on this list, it's time to check your pH. You can either have this done by a health professional or you can do it yourself at home. If you're going the DIY route, you can purchase pH strips that use your saliva or urine. If you get a reading lower than 6.5, your body is too acidic. If your pH reading is significantly lower than 6.5, you may have a more serious case of acidosis. If this is the case, make an appointment to see your doctor as soon as you can. If the reading is 6.5 or slightly lower, you may be able to combat the problem at home. Although, it never hurts to visit a health professional you trust, just to be safe. Here's how to get your body back in balance. Avoid acidic foods such as sugar, white flour, red meat, processed meats, and excessive dairy products. Remove sodas and energy drinks from your diet. Add a green juice or green smoothie to your daily diet plan. Add herbal teas and other green drinks. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Rather than consume bread, which is acidic, use lettuce leaves or collard greens as wraps.